Hello guys, how are you? My name is Aman. Welcome to Facts Explainer. Today in this video, I gonna tell you top 10 most powerful religions in the world. As we know, many religions exist in the world. When we talk about the religion, then one word comes to our mind, that is God or supernatural power. Religion means have a faith in God. Almost every people believe in religions. It said the religion is created by God, which is connected to human being. Religions defines culture, love, faith, unity. There are many religions exist in the world, but we don't know which religions has largest number of adherents and believers. In this video, we are going to share top 10 most powerful religions in the world. So get ready. Number 10. Baha'i Faith. Baha'i Faith is a global religion community. Its adherents known as Baha'i. It was founded by Baha'u'llah in 1863. They teach that God is single and more powerful. Number 9. The Judaism. The Judaism religion is the oldest Abraham religions. Its adherents commonly known as Jews. There are about 15 million Judaism followers worldwide. Jewish people believe in one God. The law of teaching Judaism come from Torah. Torah is the most important holy book of Judaism. Most of the Judaism adherents reside in Latin America, Canada and Europe. Number 8. Spiritism is a philosophy that based on spiritualism. It is a religious movement that believes spirits exist in the physical world. Spiritism was founded by French educator Allan Kardec in 19th century. Number 7. The Sikhism. Religion is 7th largest religion overall religions and 5th largest organized religion in the world with 25 plus million followers across the world. Its followers commonly known as Sikh, which means discipline. Sikhism religions originated in Punjab. Religion is the northern part of India. Sikhism religion founded by Guru Nanak Sahib nearly end of the 15th century. Sikh people believes Guru Nanak Sahib is an incarnation of God. Number 6. African traditional religion. African traditional religion is the one of the oldest religion in the world with over 100 million followers. It's 1.3% of the world population. African traditional language believes various spiritual ritual includes worship of deed, use of magic, belief in spirits, cure of tradition medicine. These traditional religions are oral instead of secretion. Number 5. Buddhism is the fifth largest religion in the world with about 520 million followers. Its adherents commonly known as Buddhism. Buddhism was founded by Gautam Buddha. He is also known as Siddhartha Gautama. He has become Buddha but after they got enlightened. Gautam Buddha was the great sage, philosopher, scholar and visionary. He is also best known as one enlightened. Buddhism originated in ancient India, Sarma tradition between 6th and 4th generation. Number 4. Chinese traditional religion. China has between multiple religion country since ancient time. The Chinese religion is the one of the largest religion in the world with 1.4 billion plus followers. There are many religions exist in China, but Chinese folk religion is the most popular in China. Later in this religion joined Confucianism, Taoism by Buddhism. Number 3. Hinduism. Hinduism is the world's oldest and third largest religion in the world with about 1.5 million followers in its adherents known as Hindu. There are many gods and goddesses exist in Hindu religion. They teach that is only one god, many forms. Hindu practice include such as worship, puja, recreation, jap, meditation, yoga. Hindu believes that there are 30 million god and goddesses in Hindu religion. Number 2. Islam. Islam is the second most popular religion in the world with over 1.9 billion followers. Its adherents known as Muslim. Islam religion teaching that God is one of that's called Allah and the God is powerful, merciful and unique. Muslim believes is Muhammad as a messenger of God. It is that said Islam religion historical originated in 7th century in Mecca. Islam has mainly two denominations, Sunni and Shia. Number 1, Christianity. The Christianity is the largest, most popular religion group of the world with 2.4 billion followers. Its adherents known as Christian. Christians believe that Jesus is Son of God and Savior of the people. Jesus considered the pioneer of Christian religion. Christianity begins in 1st century in Roman province as community. Jesus spread that the religion across the Europe and the other countries. So that's the list of top 10 most powerful religions in the world. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel. Also give the video big fat thumbs up. Till then, bye bye.